fasten seatbelt sign will be switched off soon. However, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted or could fall out. For safety reasons, the use or charging of a power bank is prohibited on board. Do not place it in the overhead compartments, but keep it with you and make sure it's always easily accessible. And on this aircraft, you can make use of Wi-Fi. Flying Blue members can receive and send messages for free. If you're not yet a Flying Blue member, you can sign up for free after connecting to the onboard Wi-Fi. If you want to surf the web or stream, you can purchase a paid pass. You can also find all the information in the magazine in your seat pocket. And we'd like to inform you that you can access KLM.com free of charge. There you can check the latest status of your transfer with your booking code in MyTrip. And we are aware many of you have connecting flights. Once we receive information about your connecting flight, we will let you know directly. This is 15 minutes prior to landing.